This film will introduce you to our many controllers, regulators and potentiometers. First, we have our Multicontroller, which is an easy-to-install controller for EC motors. It is very user-friendly with several predefined configurations to choose from. You can choose to set up the Multicontroller to a 0 to 100% regulator, which in conjunction with the built-in scheduler can change speed, so you do not have to remember to turn down the speed at predefined times, which will save energy. Or you can use any sensor giving a digital input for controlling via the two built-in outputs and the scheduler interchanging the set points. Also, the Multicontroller comes with integrated Modbus protocol for easy hookup to your building management system. For the quick and easy 230 volt regulation of a ventilator or a damper for one room, we have the Basic Regulate series. A very easy to use regulator with built-in sensors, making it easy to set the desired temperature, humidity, or combination of temperature and CO2 right on the regulator, which will send the regulation signal to, for example, a damper. Also, the current sensor value can be read on the regulator. Another possibility for a regulator with a built-in sensor is the CO2 regulator for ductor wall mounting. This regulator also includes an NTC sensor. The ventilation is regulated based on which of the temperature or CO2 values first exceeds the set points. Our newest product is a pressure and flow regulator, which comes with various possibilities, even the possibility of internet connection. If all you need is a simple on-off signal based on temperature or humidity, you should have a look at our thermostats and hygrostats. Maybe you are not looking for regulators or controllers, but just want to turn the speed of a ventilator up and down from 0 to 100%. For this purpose, we have developed a range of potentiometers to choose from. We even have a special potentiometer for EC motors, giving the 0 to 10 volt regulation signal required by all EC motors. Finally, we have a small range of inverters for standard asynchronous motors with 1 or 3-phase 230 volt supply. The inverters come in 3 sizes: 370 watt, 750 watt and 1500 watt. Communication interface is Modbus only. To get further information on one or more of our products, visit our webpage lscontrol.dk or contact your local wholesaler. And to keep up with our newest product line, you should follow us on LinkedIn or sign up to our newsletter. We look forward to providing you with the best products for your process or comfort ventilation system.